Rogers streaming services like Rogers Ignite TV integrate YouTube seamlessly. Start by ensuring your device is powered on. To install YouTube, navigate to the App Store, usually the Google Play Store on Android TV, on your Rogers device. Search for YouTube and select the official app by Google LLC. Click Install and wait for the download to complete, which typically takes just a minute or two on Rogers high-speed internet. Once installed, launch the YouTube app from your home screen. To sign in, you'll need a Google account. Open the YouTube app and select Sign In. Choose your sign-in method, such as using a QR code for easy mobile linking or entering your credentials directly. Link your Google account and enable notifications for personalized recommendations. This process uses secure authentication to protect your data. To enjoy YouTube in 4K HDR on Rogers, you need a few things: a 4K-capable device like the Rogers Xi6, a Rogers internet plan with sufficient bandwidth, minimum 50 Mbps recommended, and YouTube Premium. Once you have these, sign in to YouTube Premium within the app. Then go to Settings, General, limit mobile data usage, and disable it to ensure full quality. Play a 4K HDR video identified by 4K or HDR badges. The app will automatically adjust based on your device's capabilities. For HDR, also enable HDR in your TV settings, usually found under Picture Advanced Settings. Note that 4K HDR content consumes significant bandwidth, around 7 GB per hour, so Rogers recommends gigabit plans.